about what you want for the woman you marry.
Yeah, you know what? I would.
Yeah?
Gladly. Because you make your choices, you know? So you and I, if we were married, I would... No, for example, okay? If you and I were married, I would want to give you what you need. That's all. I'm talking about taking care of each other the best you can. What's wrong with taking care of a woman? She takes care of you.
You'll have a hard time finding a woman like that these days.
Shoot, you think so?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Lightning could strike.
I've got to go.
Yeah. Listen, did I say something wrong?
No.
No?
No.
Sure.
No. It was so right. It scares me. That's all.
You know, I was thinking I don't want you to be my doctor. I don't want you to examine me and...
Why?
Because I like you so much.
And I don't want to examine you.
You don't? Why not?
Because I like you so much. Oh, boy. Okay. Now I gotta go, so...
Yeah, understood.
Okay, all right.
Fair enough. I'll see you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.